Heather from the Elkton Central Branch of Cecil County Public Libraries. Today I'd like to make Easter egg maracas with you. For that we'll need plastic Easter eggs, spoons of some sort. Plastic works best, but metal's okay too if that's what you have. You'll need tape. I have painter's tape at my house right now, so that's what we're using. And then something to put inside of your eggs. So I have rice and dried pasta. Dried beans also work well, or anything small. If you have plastic beads, anything like that that can go inside to make a shaky sound. I have my helpers with me. This is Sylvia, and she's 5, and this is Nora, and she's 4. So they're gonna make theirs along with me. So the first thing you'll do is you'll open up your eggs, and you'll decide what you want to put inside. So I'm gonna do one of each. I'm gonna do 1 rice and 1 pasta so you can see the different sounds that it makes when it shakes. So you just kind of scoop it in there and shut your egg tight. You can hear that one?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want in your first one? Rice?
Yeah.
Go ahead. What about you, Nora? Do you want to do one with pasta?
Yeah.
Okay, scoop it on in. Oh, good job. Let's shut it tight. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
That's okay. Well, this one's a tricky egg. There we go. We got it shut.
This is full, Mommy.
Tight.
Mom, this has a lot in here.
It does. Can you shake it?
I want to.
Oh. That's okay. Uh-oh. Here, we'll take a little bit out so it makes a better shaky sound.
Okay.
If your eggs are too full, it won't have as much room to shake around. But if you empty it a little bit, it makes a nice shaky sound. Now let's fill our second egg. You want to switch?
Yeah.
You can have rice and you can have pasta. So I already did rice. Now I'm going to do some pasta. Nora, you can do your rice. And Sylvia, you can do some pasta. Good job. You need help closing it?
Yeah. I think I'll shake.
Go ahead and shake.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need some help?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll shut it up tight. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Now just as a tip, these eggs often have holes in the top and the rice will usually shake out of it. So if you want to take a piece of tape on your rice ones just to cover that so you don't have rice pieces all around the house. So the next thing you'll do, grab 2 spoons. Good job. And you'll put it around your egg just like this.
Why I can't?
Oh, you did a good job. And then you'll take a piece of tape and tape around your handle. And that will hold it in together.
Oh.
You have a maraca. Want to make yours?
Yeah. I can't do it.
That's okay, I can help.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know how to put tape.
Well, here, I'll help you with the tape. And then you can show me how to shake it.
No, Mommy.
There you go. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, Nora, I like your shaky.
Okay.
You made a maraca. Now, can you guess? Let's see. Can you guess what's inside of this one? Do you think it's the rice or the pasta?
Pasta.
And
Pasta.
what about this one? This
Rice.
one is the rice. It makes a higher pitched sound. And this one is the pasta. It makes a lower pitched sound because the rice is small and the pasta is big. So there we have our maracas. Say thank you. Bye, everyone.
Bye.